Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is diversifying energy sourcing, Ministry of External Affairs on Trump's India not to buy Russian oil claim. Now see, the background is that Russia-Ukraine war, which started in 2022, has, Western countries stopped buying oil from Russia and impose sanctions on it. Russia started selling oil at cheap prices, but India said we will buy oil wherever it is cheap and in our national interest. India increased Russian oil imports, helped control inflation and fuel prices in India. India clearly said energy security comes first. But what is exactly happening now? In India-US engagement in 2025 happened. India and US are improving trade and strategic ties, talks on energy, defense technology. India is now buying more oil and gas from the United States. India also restarted limited imports from Venezuela. And India's stand is we are diversifying energy sources, as the Ministry of External Affairs has clearly stated, or not depending on one country. Now, the Trump's claim is that Donald Trump claimed India agreed to stop buying Russian oil and buy from the US. India's response, which is very important, that India did not accept this claim. So we have claimed that we have not accepted this claim. Minister of External Affairs said that India's energy policy is based on market conditions, global situation and national interests, and no public commitment to stop Russian oil. Translation in the simple words is that we decided for ourselves. Nobody tells us where to buy oil from. Now, what does diversifying the energy mean? Like not depending on one shop for groceries. India buys oil from Russia, US, Middle East, Venezuela, so that if one country stops supply, India is safe. Prices stay stable. National economy remains protected. Now, there are multiple dimensions to it. What are the multiple dimensions? The first dimension is the economic dimension. Cheap oil, lower inflation, stable fuel prices, economic growth, protects poor and middle class. Second is the strategic autonomy. India follows independent foreign policy, not aligned blindly with the US or Russia, and decisions based on India first. Now, the third is the diplomatic balancing. What is the diplomatic balancing? Maintains ties with Russia for energy and defense, for the US with trade and technology. Classic multi-alignment strategy. Fourth is the energy security. Now, what is energy security? See, if 140 crore people need energy, oil shortages can harm transport, industry, agriculture, and diversification is equal to security. Lastly is the geopolitical reality. Now, global energy markets are unstable. Sanctions keep on changing. India keeps options open. So the one line essence is that India is not choosing sides. It is choosing security, affordability and independence. Now let us talk about the UPSC relevance of the topic. It is highly relevant for GS paper 2, India-US relations, India-Russia relations, strategic autonomy, foreign policy decision making, and for GS paper 3 as well, energy security, inflation management, global crude oil markets, and for essay paper also this becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.